안녕하세요. Chayden D Shandokni Dao. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you today. I am unboxing my PupBox for September 2018. As usual, I'll leave all the information down below about PupBox. Let's go ahead and get started. I cannot remember how much I pay for this a month, but I do know how this works. You fill out a profile for your dog, and they will send you things that are appropriate for your dog. I have a small dog, so everything in my box will be catered toward a very small dog. All right, first things first, we have some, this is a back to school, keep up the training pups. This is about some back to school tricks and tips for your dog. So this reference card will be very, very handy. And then this right here tells me everything that is in this box. There are no prices, by the way. It just tells you what's in here. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, this smells really good. This right here is a big old strawberry from Planet Dog or Be Tough. And it looks, that's what the tag looks like. Here is the big old strawberry right here. There's a hole right here. I think what you do is you put treats in there, and your dog will like roll this around and the treats will fall out. But it smells like menthol. I love this though. Smells like mint. And like I said, there's no prices on here, but I do like this. It says perfect for stuffing with treats. So, yep. Anyway, moving on. We have here, a bully stick. There's a bully stick right there. This will be gone in 5 minutes. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. We also have here from Leaps and Bounds. This is the Wild Plush Tough-O-Meter. This is gentle. And it looks like a rabbit. Looks like that there, as you can see. There's a squeaker here with it in its tail. I'm not going to squeak it. There is a squeaker here in the head. And there's nothing in the body. No crinkle paper, no stuffing, nothing. All right, moving on. Oh, from So Fresh, we got some pick-up bag dispenser and refills. We got some poop bags, y'all, with the dispenser. That is really, really cool. And it even comes with the hook here to lash onto your leash. There's the other side there. This is awesome because I am in need of some more poop bags. So I'm happy to get this. Usually I get my poop bags from like Amazon. I get like 1,000 poop bags for like $20 on Amazon, and they last me a good 6 months. Anywho, moving on. This is from Full Moon. These are kitchen crafted natural dog treats. This is chicken jerky, 100% USA made, human grade ingredients. Cage-free, USA grown, made in the USA. Those are those treats right there. USA stamped is there. Here is the other side of those treats. So these are all natural, glycerin-free, grain, corn, and wheat, and soy-free. All right. Awesome. Then last thing we have in here are from Vita Essentials. These are raw, freeze-dried treats in beef flavor. These are gluten, grain, and guilt-free. My dog likes freeze-dried treats. These are very, very awesome. And on the back, it talks about the health benefits of a raw diet for your dog. There you go. Some of the health benefits are for digestive health, oral health, and overall health for happy, healthy pets. So, yeah. He's going to like these. You want one now? Let me get him one of these now, actually. We got to do a taste test. We got to do a taste test. All right, so let me show you. This is what the treat looks like right there. All right. Come here, Romeo. All right, sit down. Sit down. Let's see what he does with that. My bad. I did not show you what the treat looked like in these because he was eating his chew that he got from another box. These are what the Full Moon treats look like. Oh, they're big. Let me find a small one. They're big. They look like that. That's a nice size right there. Let me break this up if I can. All right, sit down. Up, sit down. All right, and there he goes. See what he does with that. That'll probably be gone in 5 minutes too. All right, friends, let's go ahead and recap. So what I got were the Full Moon chicken jerky treats. Also, if I didn't say it already, the beef liver treats from Avita Essentials, my poop bags with the dispenser, the rabbit from Leaps and Bounds with the 2 squeakers in there, and the strawberry treat dispenser, and also the bully stick. Alright friends, that is everything in this month's PupBox for September 2018. Let me know if you get PupBox. Don't forget to comment and rate and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. There will be a giveaway. I'm close to 1,000 subscribers, and when I get there, I will, there will be a giveaway, by the way. And I'll let you know what that giveaway will be, but I gotta reach there first, alright? Alright friends, thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Talk to you next time. Bye.
넌 나고 난 나